as 2020 in myeloma will focus very much on the cell therapy. And it will be very important to see how BCMA-targeted therapy result in more mature results coming from CAR T cells targeting BCMA like BB2121, BB2121-7, or Filtacel, the CAR-T2-1 study. Important for me is to see how the BB2121 published 1 year ago in New England Journal of Medicine will be updated with a median overall survival of approximately 3 years, indicating that this BCMA-targeted therapy through CAR-Ts is definitely going to cover the unmet medical need at late advanced stage of the disease. The updates we will have from CAR-T2 as well as a CARMA study will be relevant, but important to see new molecules, new targets, because we will have a GPRC5D with Talquetamab, but we will have novel targets like FRH5 through another bispecific monoclonal antibody, and also more mature results with bispecific monoclonal antibodies also targeting BCMA, like Talquetamab, maybe the clinical trial with the largest number of patients included receiving BCMA-targeted therapy through bispecific monoclonal antibodies. I think that the situation is exciting because all these data, I think that will help us to consolidate definitely the role of BCMA-targeted therapy, maybe today at late advanced stage of the disease in patients already exposed to PI, IMiDs, anti-CD38 monoclonal antibodies. But at the same time, I think that the optimal location will be in earlier lines of therapy, and many clinical trials are ongoing evaluating the role of cell therapy in patients relapsing after 1-3 prior lines of therapy, and even in some subgroup of patients in the first line of therapy, in a specific subgroup of patients representing high unmet medical needs because of the presence of high-risk features or sometimes early relapses after the first line of therapy. So I think that the cell therapy is promising. I would say that the BCMA landscape is quite crowded, but definitely new targets are appearing, as well as new modalities that will help us to manage these patients. And we will have the opportunity to see, for example, allo-CAR-Ts, what definitely will optimize the management of patients with multiple myeloma, avoiding the time we need in order to manufacture the T lymphocytes after the lymphoapheresis and between the lymphodepletion. So cell therapy will be definitely something that we will utilize more and more in the near future.